Hi guys! Welcome to another vlog. Since nag-vlog na ako last time, I will vlog it again right now. But this time it will be much more serious because I would like for you to see our current house update right here in Kitaw-Taw. So, I'm gonna do this for just an update lang naman. So, as you can see, this is our gate. Noon kasi yung gate namin, kahoy lang siya na parang hindi siya tarong good na siya. Ngayon, mas straight na siya. So, as you can see, we have that. And this is our lawn. Little lawn. And plano ko sana na mag-mowing something. But okay lang naman ang grass. Parang flat naman siya. So, this is our ground floor now. So, ito yung epic fail na project namin kasi supposed to be ito yung lunggaan ng mga ducks, ng mga manok, but sadly, ibenta namin ng mga duck kasi parang useless lang naman. So, yun. Walang nangyari dyan. Pero, kung ako naman, ipasuggest nito, I would like it to be a swimming pool or something para, swimming pool. Maganda. And then, this one, we have the patio. So, pwede kami magtambay dito. May table to nang tagikuha namin. So, yeah. Tambay dyan. And then, ano pa ba? So, this is our pathway. Hi, Joy! Hello, my baby Joy. Handshake! Hi. So, this is our alaga. Siya yung tigbantay namin dito ko. Masyado kasi walang nagapakain sa kanya, siguro. Pero yeah, siya nagabantay sa aming bahay ngayon. Come on. Hello. And sobrang nakabait, guys, kasi nag-follow siya. Can you see? I love Aspin so much. So, don't you abuse or don't you discriminate Aspin. Come on. So, we now go to the second floor. So, ito yung stairs namin. So, dito, as you can see, medyo malinis na siya kasi gilinisan ko to last time na nagpunta kami dito. So, yeah. Hindi masyado namin ito ginadaanan dito kasi, ewan ko. Pero ito yung main pathway namin. Dito. Dali! And then, so, yeah. Ito yung main house namin, pero nakalock pa siya, so hindi makita na sa loob. Chay! Wait lang ka, nag-vlog pa ko. So, ito yung second floor namin, guys. So, I have lots of memories here in this spot kasi noon, nag-overnight kami dito kami nag-atambay, nag-swing-swing, tapos sunset. And dito ako nagalisan noon ng Red TV. My God, what a time to be a Swiftie. So, this is the exact place. So, ngayon, nadagdagan namin ng mga manok. Okay? Just for something poultry stuff. So far, 3 lang naiwan na manok sa amin. Ewan ko lang bakit. Noon, dito yun, kinalagay ang mga duck. So, yeah. So far, malaya naman sila makalabas siguro. As far as you can say. And ito yung stairs namin. 3rd floor. Oh my God. So, we now go to step. So, hindi pa siya concrete, guys. So, medyo mahirap pa Hi, Chun!
Malapay na nairuning upan mga din.
Okay, so this is the 3rd floor view. And then, ito yung tambayan namin sa baba, guys. So, nandito na yung hammock. And dito yung mga upuan namin. Gi-customize talaga namin.
Bato ko!
Gi-customize namin. And, si Chay. Napod! So, nanapod si Sir Ben. So, this is the patio. And yeah, so dito ako naghiga last time kasi sobra kahangin dito, guys. Sobra ka worth it magtambay dito. So, yeah. Oh my god, as you can see the view, the mountains, the peak. Yeah, so I'm doing a house tour. Actual house tour. So yeah, so okay, now we move on. Gani pala ako nakikipagkita. Dada, so say dada.
Sabay mi. Dalon ganyan kahoy kanina po.
Okay, so let's continue. So ito yung bago naming built-in na cottage house. So pangarap talaga namin to kasi we gusto namin ng may view. So kumbaga ito na yung resort namin. So this is the stairs. We have the grass. The fake grass lang to siya, guys. Oh my god, ma-remember ko nito ang GMCC kasi ganito yung parang carpet yung nila. And as you can see, it's color green. And then ito yung window namin na made of alambre. So, ano lang namin ito para wala makapasok in case lang. And yeah, like that. So, made of bamboo siya, guys. Plastered with bamboo. At actually, parang kahoy mo siguro ito siya. Kung itabunan. So, this is the door. So, akala ko ang door, hindi ko siya mahalata at first. At first, akala ko lang siya door. And then, pag mayroon pala siya So, nandito si Auntie! Hi, Auntie! Katulgon na mula. So, ito yung inside namin, guys. So, as you can see, we have the solar light para, sa gabi. And unique siya kay, pwede mo siya ma-control din, pero pwede mo din siya ma-automatic. So, this is, so, meron din kaming higaan para medyo soft siya and actually glow in the dark daw to siya, as I heard from my dad. So, yeah. Hindi siya masyado kataas-taasan, ha? Tigbantay na sila there sa TESDA. Mga guard po na. So, yan, guys. Hindi nga ito mag-aabot ng yata, 3 meters. Para na itong 2 meters ba? Or something. Kasi parang mapakong na ako dito, guys. As you can see, pwede ako mapakong. Anyways, yeah. So, what my most favorite part here is the balcony kasi may view siya. So, kita mo yan. Kita mo yung mga peak. Dyan kami nag-overnight. Mostly doon sa Kamanga. Per close ng Kamanga, guys, sadly. So, yeah. Oh my God. I love this place so much. So, like, my goal here, siguro marami pa akong project dito, guys. And gusto ko din siguro magpa-overnight ng mga friends. Hi, Auntie! As you can see, this is our multi-millionaire auntie. So, yeah. Diyan, guys, good. Pwede din kayo maghiga dyan sa roof kung gusto nyo. So, that's all for my little house tour, updated house tour 2025. So, oh my God, guys. So, ma-shock na lang kayo sa next house update na may pool na dito sa baba. Hopefully. And so far, wala kaming tubig ngayon. And yeah. So, that's all. Thanks for watching. More. Love ya.